I can't stop thinking about these pancakes. They melt in your mouth and have crispy edges thanks to a whole lot of butter. Make them for somebody you love and get ready for some serious oohs and ahs. Let's mix the dry ingredients. I'm using a scale because it's so much easier and more accurate than scooping flour into a cup. 65 grams of flour is about a half cup. Add 2 teaspoons of baking powder and a half teaspoon of table salt and whisk well. 2 teaspoons of baking powder may seem like a lot, but we need that extra leavening because of all of the butter. Melt 4 tablespoons of butter. Cool slightly before you add a half cup of whole milk. Add in 1 egg. You don't want the mixture to be too hot or it will cook the egg, but if it's too cold, the butter will solidify. Whisk in 2 teaspoons of sugar. Now whisk in a half teaspoon of vanilla or to taste. You can also use almond, butter, or rum extracts. Even coconut would be fine. Now add in your dry ingredients and mix gently. The batter will be runny and lumpy, and that's what it's supposed to look like. In a well-greased non-stick pan, pour in about a 1/3 cup of batter. When you see bubbles all over the surface of the pancake, you are ready to flip. Cook for about a minute more.